boom up.
I know, but I just wanted to get myself. This thing feels like it wants to go over on these ramps, so I don't mind dragging on the yeah.
Now it's balancing, you know?
We need a counterbalance.
Yeah. But do you feel it jerky?
We're not putting oil up above, I don't think.
We have to take the seat out.
No, it flips up.
Yanmar is Japanese. So, see this? There's an oil fill right there and one on the back. There's two of them on these motors.
You still have to check it in one place. It's not very convenient to get to.
Well, what's not convenient to get to, or what?
That looks like hydraulic oil, dude. It's splashing like water.
Yeah.
You want to see what my racing oil comes out looking like?
This is a diesel motor.
It looks bad, this one.
But there's actually fluid in there, that's good.
Dude, when I warm the race car up and drain it, it splashes around like.
And do you think it's a good idea to put the same amount inside?
Well, we're gonna go till we're on the stick, but at least we know that's like a oil filter cutter here. One little piece, if not even.
Good.
I think we're good.
This is the operation of taking the oil filter out. Not the easiest one. The location is pretty weird. Oh, it's moving, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This one at least looks like oil.
You guys make me laugh with the oil.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that.
Why not? We have to replace this one too in the future, I feel like.
Yeah, that's fine, but we
It
don't
has a
have
nice drain petcock on it. I did notice that. That'll make it easy.
We have to find out what coolant it needs.
Yeah.
So the fuel, do we want to...
What's happening? No power?
Just fucking around.
Ah, okay, okay.
Remember, your curl is your strongest axis.
You know, it took the root off right now.
Right.
Yeah, it was, yeah, you're right.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it on there.
All right, you want me to do it?
I'm gonna.
So what's happening right now? There is a leak.
There won't be here soon. Are you sure? Oh, there we go.
Okay.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, I think it will. No problem. Okay. I guess you want to pick it up from the center, right?
I don't know what he's doing. Use the thumb, dude.
Okay. That's it. Ta-da! Hey!
It's worth it then.
Bring the chainsaw.
Whoa. No. Can't do that.